saw you again. It was in this old country home. You were standing alone when I caught your hand. You smiled and came up to me. Then you asked me to dance, so I took a chance of wondering what others thought. For I knew this was to be my opportunity to have you, to hold me in your arms as we danced around the floor in the small country home. I fell in love with your charms, and I felt it so right on this starry night while we danced to the Taranaki waltz. Oh, they hang us so beautifully. As we walked together and you looked in my eyes, I could feel it instantly. From this moment in time, I knew you'd be mine, and together our hearts would beat one as we danced around the floor in the small